Hi, this is the VIVO V15 Pro and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should get the green Apple keyboard from the Play Store. So enter in the search pool green Apple keyboard. Now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard tap on the switcher. Click twice to OK, go back and tap to switch input methods. Switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So we could see that the process is finished, so let's check the new keyboard look and we could see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.